I love Titlewave for so many reasons, and I am going to show you just how I use Titlewave to run and support our library and so much more. So the first thing is I analyze our library's strengths and weaknesses with TitleWise. When you go into TitleWise collection analysis, you can submit your collection, and that's going to provide you with a detailed report that you can use to determine then what areas of your collection need to be improved. It also helps find new titles that meet our needs and identifies books that we might not have in our collection. You can take then your collection. It will tell you exactly what you need to get started. It's great to just get a glimpse at how many books you have, the average age, things that maybe have to do with the different genres, fiction and nonfiction, all kinds of different things that you see here that you can then get from that analysis. And so it's really great to be able to use then this data when you're making decisions in TitleWave.